If you have a problem moving your Caravan, consider the Aussie wheel. It makes it so much easier. Move the machine on its two front wheels into position. Underneath the tow ball. Lower the tow ball. Couple up the power. Making sure the lead is clear of the drive wheels. Level the machine by operating the power to get the machine level that way. You will then be able to tighten up this back nut . Tighten up these safety lugs, just hand tight. Make sure the lead is out of the way again. Operate it from the switch in the handle. Just releasing the switch will stop immediately. Reverse is the opposite direction. If you wish to turn, press the switch and lean on the handle in the direction that you wish to go, and it will turn even the biggest handle. And reverse. It's as easy as that. One finger.